Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go how can we forget Wi-Fi network in our lava phone. Guys, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network guys, you don't want to use guys any Wi-Fi network. So how can you forget this network in your lava phone? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all guys you will have to click on guys your phone setting, then guys you can forget your Wi-Fi network. Then guys scroll friends, you can see your network and internet setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your Wi-Fi setting guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting. So friends, you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting guys, you want to add any network, so you can add from here. And guys you can use your Wi-Fi setting. So means you can see guys which network guys you have connected, and guys you want to forget, you don't want to use this network, you can forget here guys. You can see the right side setting option, friends, tap here. Friends, you can see forget option, friends, tap here to forget this network. So this network will forget guys. After forget guys, you cannot use, you want to use guys, you will have to enter password again, then you can use your Wi-Fi network, which network you want to connect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye friends.